WOBEHUNU NOKWARE. I love it when he mentioned truth in John chapter 17 verse 17. He says, sanctify us with your truth, for your word is truth, not true. Your word is truth. The word itself is truth. Ubia Kristo ababa betinanimo afano de na ye ni urane ne krajenkwa. Zechariah chapter 8 and verse number 16. The Bible talked about speaking truth to every man, to his neighbor, or to every man, and executing judgment, the judgment of truth and peace. There is judgment, and I'm speaking to the judiciary of this country. There is judgment of truth. What I want to say, judgment of truth goes beyond the law. Judgment of truth, it will go beyond even the rule of law. If the law be a truth, so no, it's not a judgment. The Bible says, and these things that you shall do, speak ye truth. The Bible said, every man to his neighbor, and execute the judgment of truth and peace in your gates. We don't sentence people to prison and after many years realize that we made a mistake. And then we compensate that person with some pocket change, and we have wasted their life and destroyed their destiny. So then the judgment of truth is what we are disseminating. Ubia was what for Christ and then I any running a krajenkwa and brothers with two mono Christ in two more. Oh, I am building on something. Please stick with me, and we are going to get there very soon. First John chapter 2 verse 4. The Bible made a submission of what I just made, a statement of what I just made. He said, I know him, and he said, he that saith I know Jesus and keepeth not his commandment is a liar. Ubia was say one fana someone nanteni trofo. The Bible said the truth is not in that person at all. Oh, I'm going to break it down. Don't worry, it's going to be good in a minute. It's going to be good in a minute. Yeah. And so he is making this submission. Look at it. He said, anybody that say I know Christ